Imagine a robot, not just walking, talking, or helping with chores, but actually giving birth to a human baby. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, in China, scientists say this could soon be reality. Dr. Zhang Qifeng, founder of Kaiwa Technology in Guangzhou, is working on the world's first humanoid robot surrogate. This robot is designed to mimic pregnancy from the very first moment of conception, all the way to delivery. Inside its body, there's an artificial womb filled with special fluid where a baby could grow just like in a natural pregnancy. A tube acts like the umbilical cord, feeding the baby oxygen and nutrients for 9 months. After that, the robot would actually give birth to a live baby. A prototype could be sold as early as next year for around $10,000. But here's where it gets complicated. Some experts believe this could be a huge breakthrough for families struggling with infertility and could even reduce the risks mothers face during childbirth. Others call it deeply troubling, saying a machine can never replace the natural bond between mother and child. Some even fear it could change what it means to be human. So, is this the future of family, or a step too far into science fiction?